Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys. Today we are going to discuss about comparison between Epic Games Store versus Steam Store. But firstly, I would like to introduce my team. I am Intan Disa Fitri, who will speak in this occasion, and Fauzan Asari as a leader group. For that, I will call my friends to bring the first material. Please.
Video game launchers are something that are now seen as commonplace, and for good reason. It was only inevitable that somebody made a place where you can have access to all of your games in one easy and organizable space. Steam, for example, started life in 2003 as just a way for Valve to give out automatic updates to their games, but eventually it grew larger than that. Steam is now the PC game launcher, an easy to navigate store with deals and new games on the daily, a thriving community that houses communities for almost any game you can think of, reviews, highly customizable profiles, achievements, tech support guides, broadcasts, and even group chats. It's really no surprise that Steam is making billions. However, because of the success...
Hi, my name is Rizky Ramadan, and I will talk about Steam Store and Epic Game Store. Steam Store. Steam is a digital game distribution platform created and run by Valve Software, makers of popular series as Left 4 Dead, Dota, Team Fortress, Portal, and Counter-Strike. Additionally, Valve created the Source Game Engine, which is used for a majority of the titles they develop. The company launched Steam in Piro, Cok?
2003.
Oh iya, ulang. Ulang. Developer. The company launched Steam in 2003, making it one of the oldest digital storefronts in gaming. While users can access Steam via web browser and mobile, it's mainly used as a standalone application for laptop and PC. Outside of game distribution, Steam serves as a social hub where users can post review, participate in community discussion, stream games, download non-game software, and much more. Epic Game Store. The Epic Game Store is also in the business of distribution digital game. The storefront was launched in December 2018 by Epic Games, makers of the Unreal Engine, Fortnite, and the Epic Games Launcher, which the store is built of. This allows users to access Epic Game Store via a web browser or a standalone application through their desktop similar to Steam. While there are other digital storefronts launched and operated by game publishers, a majority are limited to titles they have self-published. However, Epic Game Store manager to provide an enticing blend of time exclusive with now indie games and highly anticipated triple A release. Beyond game distribution, Epic Game Store offers social features such as friend list and chat functionality. Additionally, users can make their purchase via a built games library and stay up to date on sales and upcoming release by visiting a home tab. Thank you.
Hi, my name Anand Prasetyo, and I will talk about Steam versus Epic Game Store. Now that we've established the features offered by both platforms, we'll see how they compare in everyday use. To cap Dingfire will be focusing on the following category: user interface, game selection, and store prep. User interface. Taking a look at the UI for Steam NX, Ravel streamlined basic for both storefront. However, once you put them side by side, it becomes clear that Steam UI is much more busy, with features, image, text, and overall information being conveyed to the user. Switching over to X, you can see things are a lot cleaner to the point of looking a bit bare bones in comparison to Steam. Any nav regarding games is limited to the user home tab, freeing up the library to display game with large icon alarge in a grid. Finding a game is a lot simpler than using Steam list format and once the user decides on a game. Starting it up is as simple as clicking on the icon and selection launch. If you want detailed information and glaze for ad game, Steam is probably going to fare better. However, if you desire a select and start forward UI that allow you to find game with you any fuss, you might prefer X. Best user interface, Epic Game Store.
My name is Intanisa Fitri, and I will talk about game selection. Arguably, the biggest category, game selection is where Epic Game Store and Steam really come to a hit. For the sake of this comparison, we'll be separating the quality of games offered from the variety of games offered. Now, when it comes to variety, Steam has Epic Game Store built in just about every genre. Steam also includes a tag feature that lets you combine keywords to find hyper-specific subgenres such as roguelite dungeon crawlers or crab fighting RP game store. However, Steam's wider selection comes at the price of rarer quality games frequently slipping through the cracks, making the store feel cheap and sketchy at times. On the other hand, Epic Game Store features a more limited, curated collection of games for sale. An increasing number of AAA and indie titles have been making their way to Epic storefront, most notably as Time or Full exclusive. However, this is double-edged sword for Epic as it attracts bad sales and negative buzz from PC gamers who are already interested in the Steam ecosystem. Still, the superior quality of games offered by Epic Game Store cannot be ignored. Epic is also much better than Steam at holding developers accountable for neglecting games in early access. This is an area Steam has underperformed in 4 years, even before the launch of Epic Games Store. With all that being said, it's clear how our winner for this category are. Best game selection quality is Epic. Best game selection variety is Steam. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Fauzan Asari, and I will talk about store perks and the winner of the comparison. Every digital storefront has its own unique perks to help it stand out from the competition while rewarding the user. This is where Steam's seniority comes in hand. It had years to fine-tune its game recommendation algorithm in order to create the best experience possible. A good example is the Explore queue, which features a curated list of recommended games based on the user's search history and library. Beyond that, Steam also sells content in the form of mini-games, collectibles, in-game items, and cosmetics for user profiles. However, the best perk that Steam has to offer is its review system, which lets you share feedback on game with developers and other users. Although Epic Games Store may not have built-in review system, they do offer some pretty enticing perks. For one, users are given limited time offers to download and keep a selection of games each month for free, with highlights like GTA 5 included. But despite their best efforts, Epic Games Store still comes up short against Steam's suite of user perks. And the best store perks is Steam. And the last is, what is the best PC game store? Steam has been around forever and in that time has grown a loyal and active user base. Additionally, the variety in Steam's game selection is ridiculously high often, borderline overwhelming. While this means a lot of junks get added to the store, there are still a lot of great games to discover using unique keywords and tags. Epic Games Store may look sleeker and have a ton of great exclusive and free games each month, but they simply don't have enough features to compete with Steam. And the best PC game store is Steam. That doesn't mean Epic can catch up. If Valve fails to address obstacles like low-quality titles, flooding their store, frequent review bombing, and small revenue speed, the Epic's game store can capitalize by focusing on those areas. That appears to be exactly what Epic is doing to some success even though they still have a long way to go. And that the winner is Steam. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Fauzan. Okay, guys, thank you for your attention and see you.